Scania, the renowned Swedish truck manufacturer, produces some of Europe's most advanced heavy-duty vehicles. Despite their excellent performance and innovation, these trucks are illegal in the USA due to stringent federal regulations that differ from European standards. American regulations, including FMVSS and EPA standards, impose strict safety and emissions criteria. Scania trucks, designed primarily for European roads, often do not meet these requirements without costly modifications and homologation processes. One key issue is crash safety. US standards demand reinforced bumpers, advanced crash protection, and structural integrity that European trucks like Scania are not originally engineered for, making them non-compliant for American road use. Emission standards in the USA are also far stricter. Scania trucks often utilize diesel engines tuned for European emission norms, which frequently exceed the allowable limits set by the US Environmental Protection Agency. The design differences are stark. Scania trucks are built with European cab designs, lighting systems, and braking mechanisms that do not align with US safety and operational requirements, leading to regulatory disqualifications. In the US, vehicles must undergo a rigorous homologation process. For Scania trucks, this means extensive modifications to meet crash tests, rollover standards, and other federal safety criteria, making the process economically unfeasible. Cost is a major factor. The investment required to retrofit a Scania truck for US compliance is prohibitively high for manufacturers targeting a relatively small market segment, deterring import and certification efforts. Additionally, US truck regulations demand specific features, such as standardized lighting and reflective markings. Scania's European specifications differ, which creates another hurdle in achieving the necessary certification for US roads. The US market is dominated by domestic manufacturers like Freightliner, Kenworth, and Peterbilt, whose vehicles are built to meet local regulations. This competitive landscape makes it even harder for non-homologated European trucks to penetrate the market. Moreover, trade regulations and tariffs further complicate the importation of Scania trucks into the USA. The costs and bureaucratic challenges discourage companies from attempting to bring these vehicles into the American market. Safety concerns extend beyond crash tests. US regulators also scrutinize driver assistance systems, electronic stability controls, and other advanced features. Scania truck systems, while innovative, were not designed with these US protocols in mind. The cultural divide between European and American trucking philosophies plays a role as well. European trucks prioritize fuel efficiency and environmental standards that differ from the performance-centric approach prevalent in the US market. Scania's focus has long been on the European market, where regulatory standards and consumer expectations differ. Consequently, they invest less in adapting their trucks for the US market, reinforcing the regulatory gap. Another factor is the robust dealer and service network required in the USA. Scania trucks would need extensive support infrastructure to ensure maintenance and repairs in compliance with American standards, a network that is currently lacking. Technological differences, such as onboard diagnostics and telematics, are calibrated for European usage. These systems might not interface correctly with US regulatory and safety monitoring frameworks, further complicating compliance. Environmental concerns also drive the ban. US emissions regulations are designed to reduce the environmental impact of heavy-duty vehicles. The diesel engines in Scania trucks, optimized for Europe, often struggle to meet these rigorous standards. There is also a historical aspect. US regulations have evolved based on domestic manufacturing practices. Since Scania trucks are built on a European blueprint, their inherent design and engineering do not reflect the legacy standards set by American truck makers. The cost-benefit analysis does not favor market entry. For many manufacturers, the financial outlay required to achieve US certification for a limited number of trucks is not justified by the potential sales volume in a market already saturated with compliant models. As a result, Scania trucks remain illegal in the USA, a decision rooted in a complex mix of safety, emissions, design, and economic factors that collectively render them non-compliant with American standards. In summary, while Scania trucks are celebrated for their performance and innovation in Europe, the divergence in regulatory standards, coupled with economic and infrastructural challenges, has kept them off American roads. This ban reflects the broader challenges of international vehicle compliance in today's globalized market. Subscribe for more in-depth automotive insights on Speed Scout.